Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to create a website for free in under 5 minutes. So, let's dive right into it. First, grab your computer and open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in durable.co and hit enter. Once you are on the Durable website, you will want to click on the sign in button located in the top left corner. Here, you have the option to sign up using your Google account, which is super convenient and fast. I will go ahead and use my Google account. After signing in, click on Create New Website. Now, it is time to provide some essential information about your business. Start by entering your business name, the industry it belongs to, your location, and the preferred language for your website. For this example, we will stick with English as it is widely spoken language. With your business details filled in, click on the Create Business button. Now, all you have to do is sit back and wait for the system to process your information and generate your website. It's incredibly quick and efficient. Isn't it incredible? In less than a minute, your website is all set to make its grand debut in the internet. The swiftness of this process is nothing short of astonishing. Gone are the days of laborious coding and complex technicalities. With our user-friendly platform, you can have a fully functional website up and running in no time. It is a testament to the power of technology to simplify and streamline what used to be a time-consuming and daunting task. Now, let us explore some customization options. You can easily change your website's theme by clicking right here, whether you want a sleek and modern design or a vibrant and colorful one. The power to redefine your website aesthetics lies right here, ready for you to explore. With just a few clicks, you can give your website a fresh and engaging look that resonates with your brand and captivates your audience. But that's not all. We understand the importance of ensuring that your website looks impeccable across various devices, from the expansive screens of desktops to the compact displays of tablets and smartphones. With our intuitive interface, you can effortlessly preview how your website appears on different devices. Just click on the icons representing desktop, tablet, or phone, and you will gain valuable insights into the user experience your visitors will have. It is a game changer for ensuring that your content remains accessible and appealing no matter how your audience chooses to engage with your website, enhancing their overall browsing experience. So, get ready to unleash your creativity and take full control of your website design and responsiveness with these powerful customization features. Durable also offers convenience of AI. You can use it to create blog posts and add new website pages effortlessly. So, easy to use, right? Also, adding a logo is essential for brand identity. So, I will add a logo here. Just enable the logo feature, upload your logo file, and click Save. This combination of AI-powered content creation and seamless logo integration ensures that your website customization is both efficient and effective. Now, let us talk about sections. You have the flexibility to add various sections like banners, contact forms, videos, and more to enhance your website. However, since my website looks great as it is, I won't be adding any additional sections to avoid overcrowding. When it comes to design, you have full control. You can easily change spacing, colors, fonts, and other design elements to match your brand style. Once you are satisfied with the changes, just click Save. Once you have meticulously customized your website to your liking, take a moment to click on the View Website button, allowing you to see your creation in action. Keep in mind that this website is currently in a temporary state, and to make it permanently accessible to your audience, you might want to consider upgrading your plan, unlocking additional features, and ensuring your website's continued success. And that's a wrap. You have successfully created a stunning website in less than 5 minutes. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more informative videos like this one. Thank you for tuning in, and I will see you in our next video.